Hello, everyone who likes to cook. Welcome, gadget hunters. Today, we have compiled some best kitchen gadgets from Amazon.com. Some of these make delicious things, and some make things faster and easier. You can find the purchase link for all gadgets in the description below. In order to save your time, we divided the video into sections. You can simply click on the section you are interested in and go.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense.
With your new Kitchen Mama electric can opener in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Place your batteries inside the can opener. Make sure they're in the right position and that the cover snaps securely. Step 2. Place it on top of your can. Make sure the blade and gear are placed neatly between the opposite sides of the edge. Step 3. Press the button and watch the magic work. Now it's time to open up your can. Use your hands to lift off the lid. Voila! No sharp edges, just a smooth lidless experience. It comes in these adorable shades to add a much-needed pop of color to your kitchen. Yes, you can with Kitchen Mama.
A dessert that you could enjoy in seconds that tastes just like soft serve ice cream, but it was so healthy for you, you could even have it for breakfast. With Yonanas, you can. Just peel and freeze overripe cheetah-spotted bananas, or use your favorite frozen fruit to create healthy treats you swear is ice cream, but is made only from fruit. Simply snap and lock in place. Turn the machine on, feed frozen fruit through the chute. Alternate pieces of fruit to make that perfect blend of your favorite Yonanas. Everyone in your family can have their own custom-made Yonanas flavor. If you love strawberries, mango, peaches, or chocolate, simply feed them into the Yonanas maker to create your personal favorite. Yonanas are delicious with or without bananas. Unlike a blender or food processor with a single blade that shreds frozen fruit, Yonanas technology grinds and emulsifies 100% frozen fruit to create a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream in seconds. Easy, delicious, and dairy-free. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or add some chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. Wow, 100% frozen fruit. Indulge in dessert anytime and never feel guilty with Yonanas.
We know it's hard to choose the right kitchen scale. That's why we reviewed hundreds of them, while designing a few of our own. And we found 3 things that you should be asking. Does it have the right specs? Is it well designed? And is it a good overall value? But if you're anything like us, you know that a product is more than a list of features, and that all the people connected to the product are just as important as the product itself. That's why at Greater Goods, we believe in shopping without compromise. You'll get a quality product that's responsibly made at a fair price. And we'll back the product with lifetime, responsive, and friendly support. And together, we give a portion of the profits to charities making a difference. So if you're looking for a thoughtfully designed scale that's made in the right way, then this is the scale for you. I hope this helps. Happy shopping.
Safe Slice Mandoline. Mandolins are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolins have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice Mandoline, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandoline provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandolin makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandolin. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline.